all present?
Yeah.
I thought some of it is fake.
No, all of it is real.
This one. Oh, for me.
Yeah.
Okay.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your king. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Now bring us some figgy pudding. Now bring us some figgy pudding. Now bring us some figgy pudding. Now bring some out here.
So, every year, usually, I try to have a really big Christmas tree. But this is a small apartment. So I only have a limited amount of space. We also have the dogs. So this year, in this apartment, for our first Christmas here, I'm just going to do a small Christmas tree with just a little decorations. So, follow me while I decorate the home and get it ready for our first Christmas here. Decorating the Christmas tree is something I do every year, and it's a really important tradition for me. I used to get angry with my mother if she didn't make time to decorate the tree with me. It's only a tiny tree this year because of the lack of space, but this tree has come with me to several places already. Okay, let's start with the usual ones that I put inside this small tree, which are these tiny red balls. I like to put in the lights first, so that I can decide where to put different ornaments so that they can get a little bit extra attention from the lights. This little glassy ornament I've had since I was 11, 12. Love them. I think the ones that I have quite a lot of, like these sugar canes, and these ones, I'm going to keep them to decorate a little bit on the shelves. So I'm going to use the unique ones to put inside the Christmas tree. I also need to hide the foot of the Christmas tree. I think I'm going to use this together with some extra lighting. I think I bought this one 2 years ago. Yeah. Cute. Oh, yo. Found this one on the second-hand market, I think. Little cookies. This tray is definitely too small for the amount of ornaments that I have, but it's a go big or go home kind of thing for me.
You are going to write the menu?
Yeah.
On the card?
Yeah, then the card is for us as kind of memory. So,
Okay, I will read the menu. Gratin dauphinois, speltje boontjes, butternut puree, pastinac puree,
gekarameliseerde.
and main dish.
Yes.
It's
So this is gevuld, which means stuffed.
stuffed.
Gevogelte
sundae.
bird, but in this case it's turkey.
Turkey.
Roll, because it's a roll shape, and it's mushroom sauce.
Is it the same one with the first
Same
one?
different sauce.
Same but different sauce. Gevogelterol Grosvenor.
Yeah.
Grosvenor sauce.
Yeah, it's a red wine
Red
sauce.
wine sauce. Oh, good. And this
We
can be
also
ordered
have-
from Correct in
Yes.
custom.
Cava.
Kava.
Yes.
Kava. Yuki.
Frowning like this, and then eyebrows up, really high. Down. Kicking something, I don't know. And then your arms were wrapped around me. So after that, you started rubbing me as well, and I thought, what's wrong? What's happening? What are you doing? Yeah, I was really curious. Why are you kicking? Who are you kicking? Who are you kicking in your dream?
Your neighbor on the bus.
Did someone sit next to you?
No.
Oh, good.
I was alone.
The neighbor before you in the bus.
Yeah, so it's just a green bean.
Greenbean.
green bean. Or 껍질콩. 껍질 is peel.
And you don't have it in Korea?
In Korea, it's not popular ingredients, so just green bean. It's available but not popular.
Het peul in.
껍질콩, green bean, 줄기콩.
Daar wonen zit erin.
Ik dacht dat het peul
So AI says it's mostly used in European or America or China. Chinese cooking.
in China?
Yeah, Chinese people also use it.
China is so big. There's so many variants in cooking and cuisine. She says she saw those ones in
China?
No, in
Cambodia.
In Cambodia.
Oh yeah, so yeah. The
Different
They are
one, but
flat. They are flat.
more flat.
I love them. They are very, very good. And you don't have that in the...
in Korea there is no bean eating all of it.
I love eat beans. All kind of beans. In Belgium and in France, they love it. And in France,
You have it at least once a week.
at least 2 or 3 times a week. Such.
If your mother is making some pastas and stuff as well.
No, then not. But when you have
So
potatoes,
at least once a week.
red wine.
Oh! We can watch the episode of Bon Appetit if you want tonight. Mama? We kunnen een Bon Appetit kijken.
Is it all present?
Yeah.
I thought some of it is fake.
All of it is real.
This one. Oh, for me. Okay. Oh, beauty knife.
Yeah. From the top. Made in Solingen. Yeah, made in Solingen. That's a famous place in Germany where the best knives in Europe are made.
It's the chef knife.
It's the best knives of Europe are made in Solingen. Try cutting paper. So most chefs have their own knives, right? And they take their own knives to the restaurant and take it back home, right? This is the kind of knife. Yeah, I know. I want to know this one. I know all the other ones. I don't know this one.
Oh. Or oh.
Christmas tree.
Ah, yeah.
I needed the Christmas tree.
Let's make it together.
Happy New Year. Happy Christmas.
Bad Korean writing.
It's okay. I'm getting better at reading it. I'm getting better at reading it.